how to remove vent panels on these single hung windows. We're gonna start by opening the vent panel up, slide the lock locks back, then raise the panel all the way up so you can see this hole, and underneath here there's a lock that you're gonna push into the hole. Same thing on the opposite side. Once this is locked, you can raise the panel up and it's free from the frame to remove the coils. To change to a different size, you're gonna slide this back and slowly go back up, push this up like this, and then remove the coil. The coil has a number down here that's gonna tell you the size of balancers. So if the window is weak, you're gonna go one number up, and then reset this coil back the same way you removed it on the top section. Insert this back into the coil like this. This is not set. Para ahí.